Good day, everyone, and welcome to Cecipol's channel or Consulting's channel. Sorry, pardon me. Okay, so I'd like to speak quickly about Scrum, how to master Scrum in 5 minutes, right? Or Scrum mastery in 5 minutes. So Scrum is very simple. Scrum is an agile framework, that helps you develop, deliver, and sustain a complex product, right? So, and then when you talk about the other part of it is also help facilitate team collaboration, and also helps in self-organizing teams. And yeah, basically Scrum is that it's flexible, adaptable, and it helps help the team to collaborate effectively to deliver complex products. So that's Scrum in a nutshell, right? So basically I'll go on to tell you about other things that Scrum have, like the Scrum roles, where you talk about the product owner, the Scrum master, and then the development team. So the product owner is who represent the customer's interest or the stakeholders' interest, while the Scrum master, interface more with the development team. And development team can be it can be computer development software team, or it can be manufacturing. It can be because Scrum can work in any organization. So I'll go on to talk about the events in Scrum. So some of the events which I'll just quickly like to list out from here is the sprint planning meetings. You have the daily stand-up, and then you have the sprint review, and then the sprint retrospect, and then the sprint itself. So the sprint is where we deliver those products in increments in Scrum, and that sprint takes 1 to 4 weeks depending on the kind of team and the team velocity and all of the planning that goes into that. So before you run a sprint to deliver an iteration, which is like what we call increment is the product, the minimal viable shippable product that comes at the end of every sprint cycle. So that's why the events go on in that in that way. So talking about that, then you talk about the sprint meeting or sprint planning meeting, which the team come together to plan for 4 weeks. They have an 8 hours meeting to thoroughly plan what they are going to deliver in 4 weeks. And then the daily stand-up is every day the Scrum Master check with the team to see what the challenges are, how can he be of help to remove impediments, and so on and so on. And then the sprint review is after the increment has been done in 2 to 4 weeks or thereabout. Then the team come together, and then they began to discuss about, okay, so how do we, what are the things that, okay, the review is where the product owner comes in and then check if it meets the requirement. The requirement is what we call the acceptance criteria in the product vision statement and all of that. So that being said, afterwards the review is done, and then the retrospect is when they go back in case maybe it is accepted, right, by the product owner or not. But at the same time, you still see that there is a discussion with the team to look at what they did well, what they did not do well, and what they should continue to work on. So, and then afterwards, then that's it basically. And then they go back again and they repeat the cycle. And lastly, the core values of Scrum. We talk about the commitment. The team is committed to achieving its goal. Courage, team member have the courage to do the right thing. And focus, everyone focuses on the work of the sprint and the goal of the Scrum team. Openness, it's a very open team. And then respect, from the team members. So the team members respect each other, they support each other, and everyone is independent. Right, so in summary, I'll just like to say, Scrum is a powerful framework that can help team deliver complex products efficiently. But by understanding the roles, artifacts, events, and values, you are well on your way to master Scrum. If you want to know more about this, you should like and click the subscribe button, and yes, so that we can bring more and more of this to you. Yeah, I would now like to say that if you also want to learn and be certified professionally, reach out to us at Pulse Consultants, and we'll be here to really help you. We have all manner of products that are very, very affordable for you, so that you can learn and be certified. And we also support with internship and some other great stuff, also job placement assistance and all of that. We'll see you again very soon, while we go and bring some more things to you. Bye, see you later.